The 6 trigonometric ratios. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with the relationship between the sides and angles of the right triangle. With trigonometry, finding out the heights of big mountains or towers is possible. But how, you may wonder? Before going deeper into trigonometry, it is important to know the basics of trigo. Let's start by illustrating the 6 trigonometric ratios. Note that the last 3 ratios are the reciprocal of the first 3. Let's say the height of the mountain perpendicular to the ground is 4,000 meters. The distance of the mountain from the tower is 3,000 meters, and the distance from the feet of the tower up to the peak of the mountain is 5,000 meters. With these lines forming a right triangle, we will identify the parts of the right triangle with respect to this angle theta to use them in illustrating the following ratios. If the angle theta is the angle of elevation from the feet of the tower up to the peak of the mountain, the adjacent side will be the side next to the angle theta because the hypotenuse is the longest side in a right triangle, and it is the side across the right angle. The opposite side will be the side across the angle theta. Using this information, we're going to illustrate the 6 trigonometric ratios through simple substitution technique. First, we have so or sine theta is equal to its opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. At this point, we just need to substitute the values of the corresponding parts of the right triangle to the formula of the given ratio. The opposite side is equal to 4,000 meters divided by the hypotenuse, which is equal to 5,000 meters. Simplifying this fraction will give us 4 over 5. Therefore, sine theta is equal to 4 over 5. Pretty simple, isn't it? Next is CA, or cosine theta, is equal to its adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. 3,000 divided by 5,000. Simplifying this fraction will give us 3 over 5. Next is TOA, or tangent theta, is equal to its opposite side divided by its adjacent side. 4,000 divided by 3,000. Simplifying this fraction will give us 4 over 3. Given this information, we just need to get the reciprocal of the first 3 ratios to get the value of the last 3. Let's try to apply what we have learned by answering this activity. Comment below if you want to know more about trigonometry.